Hello, and welcome back to Slide into English, where we learn about English through slideshows, stories, and comprehensible input. For today, we are going to learn what happens when we combine a personal pronoun, have, and not. Previously, we've learnt about when we have I and have, forming a positive sentence. Make sure you review that video before watching this one. Now, what happens when we have the pronoun I, have, and not? We get I haven't. Similarly, you have not becomes you haven't. He has not becomes he hasn't. She has not becomes she hasn't. We have not becomes we haven't. And they have not becomes they haven't. Let's begin with our slides. You've been outside today, haven't you? No, I haven't. Why haven't you gone outside yet? Because I'm really enjoying this show on Netflix. Okay, so we've got you have as well as have you not in the first sentence there. Did you know they haven't RSVP'd to his wedding? Is that weird? Not really. He still hasn't apologized for last year. What happened last year? You haven't heard? Here we see the word RSVP, which means to inform somebody if you are coming or not coming in attendance to their event. Very important for weddings and important functions. Last slide. Have you decided on what you want to eat? We haven't decided. It's been 5 minutes. Actually, it's my wife. She's the one who hasn't decided. All right. Thank you very much once again for your concentration and for listening to this video. If you would like to see more videos on the English contractions and how they're pronounced, or if you want to see more English learning content just like this, make sure to subscribe, like this video, and leave a comment. It's been so wonderful having you here. I will see you again in our next lesson.